Justice continues to elude the family of a young schoolboy, Wamik Farooq, who was martyred by the Indian police in Srinagar, and 5 victims of the Ajaz massacre in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Wamik Farooq was killed in January 2010 after being hit in the head by a tear smoke canister fired by the Indian policeman in Rajouri Kadal. Illegally jailed All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt has expressed deep concern over the political injustice and gross human rights violations by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Musarrat Alam Butt, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, said the Modi regime has unleashed a reign of terror against the innocent Kashmiris. Kargil Democratic Alliance and lay apex body representing various political, social, religious and student organizations in the Ladakh region of occupied Kashmir have called for a complete shutdown in Kargil and a march to Leh tomorrow to press for their demands. According to Kashmir Media Service, the demands include statehood for Ladakh, constitutional safeguards, Public Service Commission for Ladakh, early job recruitment process, and 2 separate parliament seats for Leh and Kargil. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has challenged the Indian government to hold elections in occupied Kashmir along with the 2024 Lok Sabha polls if it was serious about the idea of one nation, one election. According to Kashmir Media Service, Umar Abdullah was talking to reporters after his return from Umrah. Women from Azad Kashmir married to the Kashmiri men have been treated by the Indian authorities as second-class citizens in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, these women who returned to the Kashmir Valley under the Umar Abdullah's so-called rehabilitation policy in 2010 urged the authorities either provide them with the citizenship rights or deport them back to Azad Kashmir. Posters have appeared in different areas of the occupied Kashmir thanking Pakistan for its continued support to the Kashmiris' freedom struggle. According to Kashmir Media Service, the posters have been pasted on the walls and pillars by the pro-freedom parties in different areas of the territory. The posters read messages like "Go India, Go Back" and "Kashmir Banega Pakistan." All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders in occupied Kashmir have expressed profound gratitude to the government and the people of Pakistan for their continued support to the Kashmiris' just struggle for securing their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC jail leaders in their separate statements in Srinagar said that the observance of the Kashmir Solidarity Day on 5 February every year by Pakistan amply demonstrated its consistent policy.